Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to do Prizepicks, a fantasy sports platform that allows users to win cash prizes by making predictions on various sports events. To get started, you need to create an account on the Prizepicks website or mobile app. Simply provide your basic information, choose a username and password, and verify your email address. Once you have created your account, you can start exploring the various sports and events available on the platform. Prizepicks offers a range of sports, including football, basketball, baseball, and hockey, among others. You can browse through the different events and select the ones you are interested in predicting. To make a prediction, you need to select the type of pick you want to make. Prizepicks offers two main types of picks: over and under, which refer to the total score or statistic of a particular event. For example, you can predict that a football team will score over or under a certain number of points. Next, you need to set the amount you want to wager on your pick. The amount you wager will determine the potential prize you can win if your prediction is correct. You can choose from a range of amounts, and the potential prize will be displayed next to each option. After setting your wager, you can submit your pick and wait for the event to take place. If your prediction is correct, you will win the prize amount, which will be credited to your account. You can then withdraw your winnings or use them to make more picks. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Prizepicks include doing your research and staying up to date with the latest sports news and trends. This will help you make more informed predictions and increase your chances of winning. It is also important to set a budget and stick to it, as well as to not chase losses if you experience a losing streak. In terms of key concepts, it is essential to understand the different types of picks and how they work. You should also be familiar with the scoring system and how prizes are awarded. Additionally, you should know how to manage your account and track your winnings and losses. By following these steps and tips, you can start using Prizepicks like a pro and potentially win cash prizes. Remember to always gamble responsibly and within your means, and to have fun while making your predictions. With practice and experience, you can improve your skills and increase your chances of winning on Prizepicks.